You want to know how to fight this boss boy here in the third dungeon? This big giant slime thing. Well, it's quite easy. And once you know what you're doing, you just gotta smash the wall at first. You know, he's just gonna keep sending his lackeys down all day until you give that wall a big whack with your Pegasus boots. I'm about to do it here. Keep in mind right now I'm watching myself go. Yeah, the big boy's gonna fall down. And what you gotta do is you gotta hit him right in that big eye hole. And then you gotta divide him with your Pegasus boots. So, let's see. I'm gonna hit him in the eye. And then I'm gonna try and get my Pegasus boots. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing right now. I just started. I'm not watching. I'm not playing. I'm just watching myself play. Anyway. So yeah, and then you kind of get your Pegasus boots and go try and get them. You know, we got them pretty quick, so you're gonna be trying a few times. It might take you a few tries. You gotta do it real quick with those Pegasus boots, or it won't work. Anyways, I'm just gonna let you guys watch the rest of the video. Pretty much self-explanatory after you get that part done. And if this video helped you, please like it and don't subscribe.